have come to Beaufort County, to a place in South Carolina called Oyotunji. Oyotunji, the African village, was founded by Oba Efuntola Adelabu Adefumi in the year 1970. Oyotunji village is named after the Oyo Empire, and the name literally means Oyo returns or Oyo rises again.
Oyotunji Yoruba African village is one of its kind in North America today, in that it's the only African village with a king, with queens, with king's wives, with chiefs, a school, a library, and all of those good things.
Every year in Oyotunji, the people celebrate the rich African Yoruba culture. They play the popular drum called Gangan, and they dance with the masquerades.
Anniversary celebration, the African Cultural Restoration Vision Tour, the return of Mama Keke, which makes this a very important occasion. So,
as the chief priest performs his rituals, the people gets ready to offer their sacrifices to Oshun, the river goddess. The celebration continues until twilight, dancing, singing, just like their Yoruba ancestors. They believe that the spirits of Shango, Ogun, Oshun, and all the deities are all within them.
With us, based on the tradition of the Yoruba people of southwestern Nigeria. Can everyone say Egungun? Egungun. 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 Egungun is a spiritual representation of a deceased family member who returns to the earth in the form of a masquerade. Each year in an African village, each family brings out their family masquerade, and it is that time.
The Egungun that they offer sacrifice to refers to the Yoruba masquerades connected with the ancestors' reference or to the ancestors themselves as a collective force.
That when the Egungun returns from the heavens, we must praise him, and we do that by saying Iba, pay homage to. So we ki Egungun, Egungun, Loni, Iya Keke, Ibara.
And so we venerate ourselves by venerating our ancestors. So I'm going to pour libation. We're going to offer water to the ancestors so that they can be with us this afternoon. I'm going to ask you to say Ashe. 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 Ashe simply means so shall it be. And we are going to do it first in the traditional dialect of the Yoruba people of southwestern Nigeria, and then English. So we say, Omi tutu, or not tutu, ile tutu, tutu la warrior, tutu aye. We ask for cool water, cool house, and a cool earth. Mojuba bobo iku loruko nomo, mojuba bobo iku timbelo di fe ati, timbelo di olodumare. We ask and give reverence to all of those venerated ancestors who sit at the feet of God in the lifetime to come. Mojuba bobo eleda ye, tojuba bobo omo duduwa ninu aye, bobo mo duduwa ninu America. We ask that the ancestors protect their children. Those.
Welcome to Oyotunji, the African village of the Yoruba in America.